Hey everyone, Adil here, speaking from Sao Paulo, Brazil. And this video, there is no ninja techniques, no nothing. This is just to announce you the release of my course. I mean, the early bird version. It's like quite a beta version of the course, and it's gonna be released on Monday, this Monday, in around 1 week. And it will be like I'll be sharing all my ecom blueprints, my exact process of doing the things, the way my 7 steps for product research and validation, how I scale, my scaling techniques, my Facebook ads optimization technique, the way I deal with the dropshipper, the way to set up a store to convert like a beast, everything, like this is exactly how I make successful stores and generating up to 6 figures per month. This is my exact good stuff. So it will be 9 module, but continuously I'll be adding new contents and improving the contents because it's all about continuous improvement and not perfection, because it won't be perfect. It's an early bird, and it's 9 module, 40 videos, eventually more over the shoulder, just me and you guys, and explaining to you all this good stuff. And uh, and yeah, so this the price of the course gonna be $497. It's gonna be released on 5th, or I don't know, the first week of March, logically. But the early bird version, I have, it's $97. $97, like it's extremely cheap. And thing is, I announced it yesterday on the community, and like just in the first hour, 20 copies have been spot have been filled, like 20 people enrolled. And as of now that I'm recording this, I don't know, there is 7 slot out of the 40, something like that, and I'm sure they're gonna fill like really quickly. And uh, and so when this happened, as you can see in here, like a lot of people have been really respond. I didn't expect that. I won't lie to you. I was expecting like 10 people, 13 something, but really I was amazed by the feedback I've got, and by the trust that you guys have on me, like the trust you are putting on me, and I hope to not fail you with the course. I'm doing my best anyway to make it like something really strong. So yeah, and I thought about something. Now that I see that there's only seven spot left, that that like I didn't announce it anywhere else, just on the group. And I know that there is some people who are subscribed to me on YouTube and who are following my stuff on YouTube and everything, but they are not member of the group. And I don't want you guys that you don't know about this until it's sold at the full price of, it's almost $500, and you feel like betrayed. Because if I were you, I'm subscribed to the channel of somebody, and he released something at a very good price somewhere else, and then announce it to me like 1 week later or something, I'll be pissed. I won't like that. Like I will unsubscribe from his channel. I will feel betrayed. So here is the thing. I'll be adding 10 other slots, extra slots, and it's gonna be especially for my YouTube subscribers. And all you have to do is to send me a message on Facebook. You'll find below this video my Facebook contact. Send me an inbox. Just try to act fast, because it's selling really fast. And send me a message on Facebook, and I will send you a page with all the details and what the content of the module, and like everything that you might need to know about the release of the course. So that's it for this video. I wish you all the best, and we talk soon. Ciao.